Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows PowerShell keeps opening and closing in Windows 11, 10. First method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Exit and restart system. Second method is type task scheduler in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click Task Scheduler Library. If any task name contain ChromeLoader, simply delete it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.